Welcome to Intro to Airplane Physics in Unity 3D, where we will learn how to build a fully functional airplane controller from scratch. My name is Kenny Lammers and have been working in the game industry for almost 20 years now and have recently began my training as a private pilot. This introductory course is designed for the beginning and intermediate Unity developer looking to further their knowledge of physics and rigid bodies inside of Unity. Throughout the course, we will cover topics such as the 4 forces of flight and walk you through a step-by-step process for developing your very own flight physics. Now, my goal wasn't to simply type in the code and have you copy what I wrote, but I wanted to teach the fundamentals of physics and why airplanes fly in the first place. We will cover how to implement each of the 4 forces that act on an airplane, setting up the airplane wheels, the airplane propeller, how to animate the control surfaces on the plane, how to set up the audio for the plane, and finally how to create the entire UI for the airplane itself. When you purchase this course, you will also get the full source code, which can be used in your own Unity projects. You will also get 2 airplane models to get your flying games started. The first is the Indy Pixel plane, which is loosely based off of the Dusty Crop plane from the planes from Pixar. And the second is the F4U Corsair airplane, which is one of my near and dear favorite planes. Last but not least, you will also get a full UI kit to develop the UIs for your airplanes. So thanks so much for your interest in Intro to Airplane Physics in Unity 3D. I hope you are as excited as I am to develop your own airplane physics. Enroll now or take a test drive using the free preview feature. And thanks so much and see you in the course.